Hi traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I have received a buy signal on the 1 minute time frame. You can see on the gold. So I have received a buy signal and I'm going to take a buy trade on this currency pair. So sorry, not a currency pair. This is the gold 1 minute chart. And guys, let me show you. I received a pop-up on my screen. Trend signal 1. 1 means that 1 minute time frame, and gold buy, that it is directing me with the buy signal. And if you look at here, if I zoom in my chart, then you can see that there is a blue arrow here. You can see on the screen. Okay, again it is telling me about the buy signal. You can see a blue arrow here, so this is again indicating me a buy signal. So I'm just going to zoom out my chart so that you can see it properly. Okay, so my trade is right now, that is $28 minus, and now I'm waiting for the market to go into the further upward direction so that I can take my profit. Okay, so overall, if you look at this indicator, that indicator is very powerful. And if we talk about the signals, then you can see the market is into the upward trend and the channel is directed upward. And you can see that still we are having the blue signals from the indicator. This is, you can see that just below the yellow line you can see some blue lines here. This is the blue lines. So blue lines mean that the market is into the upward trend. So that's a very simple indicator here. And when you will have a sell signal, then you will have a orange lines like this. So right now we are not discussing the sell position here. Again, it is indicating me about the buy option that is working on the gold 1 minute time frame. So that's why I am currently on a 1 minute chart, and you can see this is the blue arrow that was appeared here. And when the arrow appears, the same time the pop-up comes on the screen, and you can see I am just 16 to $17 minus on the trade, and I'm waiting for the market to break my entry, and then I should take the profits. So this is the very good indicator that you can use for your trading. And you can see the blue dots are also telling you that the market is into the very good upward trend. Okay, so when the dots turned at the top, they change the color to the orange like you can see here, then it's a sign of a downtrend. But right now, and when guys, one more thing, one important thing about this indicator, when you received a pink arrow, this is a more perfect signal that the market can go uh, into the upward direction. So always keep an eye on the pink arrows as well, because after we receive a pink arrow, then mostly I have seen that the market goes into the upward direction. Okay, right now you can see that I am 25 minus 20 minus something like this. So I am just waiting for the market to go into the upward direction, because right now the momentum is bit slow. Okay guys, we are only 3 minus and something like 10 3. So this is the range that is coming at the moment. Okay, so we will wait for the market to break the entry, because this is the entry that we have taken on gold right now. Okay, so this indicator, you can also set up the alerts on your mobile phone as well, and you can also watch the market, and it will keep the pop-up on your screen, and you will be also getting the signals on your screen as well. So right now we need to wait a little bit more, because right now we are into the we are waiting for our signal to go into our direction properly. And right now we can see that we have a buy signal already from the indicator. So this is not we are not far from our signal. We are just near to our signal. You can see we have a blue buy signal from here, and now we are expecting the market to go up. Okay, so this is the good buy signal, because if we talk about the trend, then the trend that is running till now, that's the upward trend. So that's a very good signal, and you can see the trade is positive at the moment. Okay, again negative, but it came positive before. So we will wait and we will take our profit onto the positive close. And guys, one more thing, that once you see that the market is going into your direction, you can set up a stop loss, a trailing stop loss, and then when it will hit your stop loss, then you can exit and you can make your entries like this. So for example, let's say if I am setting the red line up to here. Okay, so right now we are 12 minus. So first of all, let it come positive, then I will explain you about the concept, that how you can do it. So right now the momentum is a bit slow, that's why we are facing this issue. Okay, so let it break the level that we have uh, on which we have placed our trade. Okay, we are 12 minus 24. Okay guys, so I was talking about, let it go further up, then I will set up this I mean when where I'm getting $20, like I'm getting $24 up to here. Okay, so now $50 up to here. Now what I can do is, here I'm just moving it little bit up, like for example like this, I'm getting 74. So I will set up a stop loss like 1790.92. Okay, so first of all, let it break and let it go a little bit up, then I will keep this level for me. But right now you can see that it's not accepting my very close stop loss, but however you can do it later, that's not a problem. So the main concept that I was explaining is this, that once you see that your trade is getting you giving you a little bit profit, then you can set up the stop loss on that level. Okay, so right now you can see this trade is already positive, it's giving us a like $15-20 like this at the moment, but we definitely don't want to close it at this stage because we are looking for something a better return. So let it move up and then I will close my trade manually. So because I'm also looking at the video length is already 6 minutes up, so I don't want to keep the video for a very long period of time. So guys, you can see that with the standard lot size that I have used, it is giving me up to $20, but later on previously it was also giving me about $70-80, I think so, when I was explaining the concept about the stop loss. So right now you can see again we were at 45, something like this, 32. Okay, so 57, 74, and now so we should look at this thing, guys. After this buy signal that we have received from the blue arrow, the market pumped up, we are getting $73 from the trade. The channel indicator was blue from the downward, and that was a very good perfect buy signal. So 78 and 74, and guys, I think so that's a good profit. $80 we are getting on the trade, 80.96 and 98 and 106, and I am done here. So now guys, you can see on the screen that I have taken my profit, and how sweetly the market has went up into the upward direction after this buy arrow. That was very simple because the channel was blue from the downward side. We have also received a buy signal from the notification. I can show you the signal was here, because if I show you here, okay, look at here we have received a buy signal at 1829, and right now it's 1835. Within 6 minutes you can see the market has went into the upward direction. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button, and those who are willing to get this indicator, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. They can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram. All the links are provided in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone.